Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have a project share, two projects to share with you, and I want to show you how to make these super quick embellishments. So I'm going to make one really quick with you guys, but I also want to show you the ones that I've created, and I want to show you guys some cards that you guys have been loving on my Instagram, so I figured why not add them to the video for the ones that haven't seen them on Instagram. I will be doing a video showcasing all the embellishments that I do because I do plan to make a bunch more, but I will have a video showing you guys the full stash once it's completed and I complete all the projects that I have in mind. And yeah, because a lot of these embellishments will be going out in Happy Mail, so that's why I'm making a whole bunch, so that way that once I start making my little packages that will go out, I just have to pick from the basket and put them in the Happy Mail and off they go. So if I owe you mail, stay tuned because it's coming. Trust me, I haven't forgotten any of yous. This takes time, and when you have a full-time job, it's kind of hard to manage everything all together. So I'm trying to build up the stash so that I can have easy access to a lot of my stuff and fill up these little packages that I want to send you guys. So the first ones that I want to show you are these super cute rosettes with these little wooden hearts in the middle. You guys, how cute. And these are so easy. Like, if you look at them, it's just basically the crepe paper, a 2-inch circle, and you could either do double hearts or a single heart. And these are like the wooden hearts, the table scatter from Target. It just comes in a big bag, and some labels and some cute little Maggie Holmes word stickers. But you guys, how cute does it look packaged up? Like, who doesn't want to receive something so cute? So this is the first one. And then there's this one. I did different trims on the top. And you guys, I didn't even realize that I packaged them that way with the 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. I literally did that like without even noticing, but it looks pretty cool that you get, you know, the option on both. And that's what that one looks like. Then there's this one. This one has a little pom-pom trim. I love how they turned out. I'm so happy. Oh, look, I said I'm so happy. And it says just so happy. I swear I did not plan that out. That just totally happened. How cute. I love them. What do you guys think? And you guys, they're super easy. Crepe paper. And let's make one and show you guys. Let's make this rosette really quick. I love this peach color. So pretty. It makes any little project stand out when you make a rosette with this paper. I love it so much. This and the mint green are by far my favorite crepe papers. And you guys are always asking me when I post a picture of a rosette in this color, are always asking me where you get that paper. It's hard to find. It is super hard to find, but you guys, Walmart, I think no, is it Walmart? Walmart carries it. It's just like super overpriced because I find this at my local dollar store, and now I'm seeing it more often. So I don't know if people are noticing that this is what they're looking for. It's a popular color, but I have seen it in more stores now. Let me grab my stapler and staple down the rosette. And you guys, you see, I know you guys always think I make the most perfect rosettes, but sometimes they're not perfect to me, and I trim them and make them look perfect. I too make wonky rosettes. They're not all perfect. Oops, I think I cut that one too much, but you guys get the idea. That's why I don't like to cut my rosettes, because sometimes it just gets a little too much. Well, hopefully it's so, I think it looks good. And I'm trying to do this quick because I really have to cook dinner. I literally just came home from work, totally forgot that I wanted to put this video up. See? And I'm rushing to do it, to upload it for you guys today, because I promised a video on Thursday. So what you do is you put your 2-inch circle in the middle, and just because I don't have my, oh, do I have my hot glue on? I think I turned it on. Let me see if it's, add some hot glue. Yes, I do. Add some hot glue to your 2-inch circle, place it on your rosette, and it looks like that. You guys had me cracking up with my wife not being able to find the glue sticks. You guys, I kid you not, they're literally right here, like to the right side. They're literally right there, but she doesn't look. She can see things right in front of her face, and it's like, I tell her all the time, if it would have been a dog, it would have bit your face, because I was cracking up myself when I saw that in the video. It was too funny. And you guys, your comments are making me crack up, because she's hilarious. I know, she's like a trip. So back to the rosette, it looks like this. And then what you want to do is you grab your little hearts, and then you can stain them or just put them like that. I'm not going to stain these because I kind of like the peach and the wood look for this. So I'm just going to leave it like that. But do you guys see how fast and easy this embellishment is to make? Like, you can make so many in such a short period of time. So you take the half, and then you just place the half right on top, and then you grab, I don't have a label, but you guys get the idea. I'm not gonna go searching through my stash for the labels, but you grab a little label and your little word sticker and place it on top, and ta-da, there's your little embellishment. Super cute. You can package it really nice, send it to a pen pal, make a rosette, add it to a project. So many options. So that's that. Now you guys, I want to show you some cards I made. I love making cards. That is like, this makes me so happy. To make cards makes me so happy. And I'm trying to use up these collections that I've bought and just hoard. Like, why am I hoarding them when I can make pretty stuff like this? Pink Paisley Confetti Wishes is one of those collections. I purchased it a long time ago, and it's literally been sitting on my pegboard like doing nothing. So I decided to just grab it and make some cards, because why not? I love making cards. So this is the first one. How cute does this look? I backed it with the paper from the paper pad, and then of course I added a lot of the ephemera pieces. I also used ephemera from, I think it's one of the, I'm not sure the name of it, but it's the one that went on clearance, I think, for a Michael's, a little ephemera pack. Some labels, one of the pages in the, let me see if I can find it. Hold on one second. This is what the paper pad looks like. So tropical, perfect for summer. But you guys, there's a page in here, right here. And what I did was I cut it up and I used like the little word phrases on the cards. But that's that. And then I did use a lot of the ephemera pieces, which this is what you get. But I also used that other ephemera pack from Michael's that I think it was clearanced out. But here's the second one. This was super fun. This paper is a Maggie Holmes paper that I just found in my stash to match, because the paper in the back was super busy and I just needed something to kind of even it out, like balance the card, because it would be too much with putting the ephemera pieces on it. But you guys, if you want to craft something super fast, make a card. It's so easy and fun, and you get the crafting out of you. I literally made these in about less than an hour, I think, maybe even less than that, less than half an hour. Just because once I get the flow going, I can just make a bunch. But how cute did this one turn out? I think this is my favorite. If not this one, I'll show you guys which one. Then I used the marble paper on this one and just put love you, some enamel dots, the little banana leaves, and the cute little word stickers. Not the word stickers, the little word paper from the paper pad. And I packaged them. They all have an envelope. So I will be sharing some of these as well. Here's the next one. This is from that ephemera pack from Michael's, if you guys recognize it. I thought it went well with that collection. Well, this collection. This one's cute. It says, hello, treat yourself. And I love that paper in the background. You guys, I'm obsessed with these cards. These have to be my favorite cards that I've made. This one says confetti wishes. I think this is my favorite. the cute little banana leaf. That's from the Michaels ephemera pack. The cute little parakeet, the flowers, the layers. I love it. They're all kind of like propped up on foam tape, which gives the card more dimension. It just looks more store-bought, you know? And then there's this one. I love the confetti paper. And then the flamingo is also from that ephemera pack from Michaels. The cute little bow that I put on his neck and the little musical notes. And then the little word sticker from the paper pad. But yeah, you guys, those are the cards that I made, and I wanted to show you one more. I also did some tags for the Fairy Tale Club that you guys know that I'm part of the design team, and I wanted to share. If you didn't see it on my Instagram, this is what they look like. And I just used a doily die, 2-inch circles. I layered them on foam tape just to give it that dimension, and I used some of the word ephemera, this cute little glittery bow, and some ribbon. So this is the first one, and it says magic. Then there's this one that says happy, and it's using everything from the collection. All the papers are from the Hello Beautiful collection from the Fairy Tale Club. I have everything linked down below. And then there's this one. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked my projects and create some of your own. If you do, and you're on Instagram, tag me. I would love to see what you create. Thank you guys for all the love, always showing me so much love, liking my pictures, commenting on my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is so appreciated. I love it. You guys make my day all the time. And stay tuned for more videos, more embellishments, you guys. I'm almost getting there. You see all the packages. I need a bunch more because I have so many ideas, but they're coming, you guys. But I hope you guys have a great day, night, or morning, whatever it is in your time zone. And I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to thumbs up, and bye.